Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning English. Today we are learning about the simple past tense, one of the most important tenses in English. It is used to talk about actions that happened in the past and are now finished. Okay, so yesterday I watched a movie. Here, the verb watched is used in the past form of a verb, V2. Okay, with the time marker yesterday. Yesterday I watched a movie. Subject plus verb to plus object. This is the time marker. She visited her grandmother last week. She subject visited verb to her grandmother object last week. This is the time marker. So what is the structure for simple past? For simple past, the structure is subject plus verb to, that means past form of a verb, plus object for affirmative sentence. Simple past affirmative sentence structure, subject plus past form of a verb plus object. She did not visit her grandmother. Not is used. So this is one negative sentence. Okay. Auxiliary verb did. Simple past auxiliary verb did. And did is followed by base form of a verb. When you use did, verb must be in the base verb. Base form of a verb. She did not visit her grandmother. What is the structure for negative sentence? Subject plus did not plus verb, base form of a verb plus object. Then come to next sentence. Did she visit her grandmother? Did is the auxiliary verb, comes to the front in negative interrogative sentence, question sentence. Did she subject visit, because did followed by base form of a verb. Did she visit her grandmother? So what is the structure? Did plus subject plus base form of a verb plus object. These are the structures for simple past. Affirmative, negative, interrogative. Okay, it sounds simple, right? So stay with me as we break down how to form sentences, common mistakes, and fun exercises to practice. So let's get started. Let's learn which types of verbs we use in simple past. We use both regular and irregular verbs in simple past. Regular verbs in the sense walk, walked. We use ed to form past form. This is present verb walk, past verb walked. Open, opened, paint, painted. We add ed to form past forms. These past forms we use in simple past. Run, ran. These are irregular verbs because in the past form, the present form of verb is completely changed when it is changed into past form. These verbs are called irregular verbs. Also, the past irregular verbs we use in simple past. Okay, go, went, take, took. Completely changed. These verbs we use in simple past. Time expressions are used in simple past are yesterday, last week. Last week means last week, last day, last month, last year. Okay. 2 days ago, 1 day ago, 4 days ago, 2 months ago, 5 months ago, 5 years ago. Okay. Such type of phrases we use for simple past. In 2010, 2020, in 2005, in 1995, we use in simple past. When I was a child, right? When I was a child, I loved eating ice cream. When I was a child, we didn't have mobile phones. We didn't have smartphone. Okay. So this type of phrases also we use for simple past. Let's understand how to use simple past in our real life. Okay. In our daily life, what are the expressions? I woke up at 7 a.m. this morning. This morning, woke up. The action is already over. So not saying wake up, the action is already completed in our daily life. So I woke up at 7 a.m. this morning. She cooked pasta for dinner last night. This is the time expression for past tense, simple past. So she cooked. The action happened in the past, last night. So this is simple past. They went to the mall on Sunday. On Sunday, the action already happened. So this is simple past. They went to the mall on Sunday. Okay. What you do in your daily life already in the past, what you have happened, that must be expressed in the simple past. For our travel and experiences in the past, that must be expressed in simple past. We visited Assam last year. Last year, simple past time expression. Okay, visited. We visited. The action happened in the past. Last year happened. So in simple past. He flew to New York 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. This is the time expression for simple past. The action happened 2 weeks ago. So flew. Simple past. I saw a beautiful sunset at the beach. This is the experience, past experience. So the action happened in the past. Okay. So this is in simple past. I saw a beautiful sunset at the beach. She saw. School and work. For our school and work, if anything happened in the past, that must be expressed in simple past. I finished my homework before dinner. This is the time expression for simple past. Before dinner, the action happened. This is finished. Simple past. She met her new boss yesterday. She met her new boss yesterday. Time expression, past time expression, met. Simple past. Action happened yesterday. Meet, met. They had a meeting at 10 a.m. They had is the past form of a have. Okay, have, had. They had a meeting at 10 a.m. Okay, this is what the school and work experiences in the past that must be expressed in simple past. Also for fun and entertainment, if anything happened in the past, we want to express it in the present, that must be in the simple past. We watched a great movie last night. This is the time marker for past, simple past. Watched. We watched a great movie. He played football with his friends. He played. Okay, for entertainment, they played. The action happened in the past. Our expression should be in simple past. He played football with his friends. She danced at the party on Sunday. Okay, for entertainment, something happened on Sunday. Time marker happened in the past, so that will be in the simple past. She danced, danced. For childhood memories, if you want to express anything for the past, so that must be in the simple past. She loved cartoons when she was a kid. Loved. My grandmother told me bedtime stories. My grandmother told me. Told means in the past. Okay, grandmother told. When you memorize our childhood things, what happened in our childhood, that must be expressed in simple past. Tell, told. They lived in a small town when they were young. Lived, lived. Let's understand contractions. Contractions are mainly used in negative sentences in simple past. I did not see her yesterday. We use did not. Did not. We can use it in the contracted form. I didn't or didn't see her yesterday. Okay. He did not finish his homework. He didn't or didn't finish his homework. They did not come here. They didn't or didn't come here. Okay, in such way we form contractions in simple past. Let's understand how to avoid some common mistakes. Students often make those. He was go to school. Was go to school. Here go is an action verb. Okay, was is a stative verb. Here go will be used. So its past form went. He went to school. He did went to school. Did simple past verb, auxiliary verb, went past form of a verb. Both cannot be used together. Its correct form, he went to school. I bought a new phone last week. Bought is the past form of buy? No. Past form of buy, bought. Okay. Buy is an irregular verb. It's past form bought. So it will be but. Bought. I bought a new phone last week. I opened the packet 1 hour ago. This is the time marker for past. 1 hour ago. Open. The past form of open. Opened. Opened the packet 1 hour ago. Okay. Exercise. Here are some sentences of simple present. Okay. We need to change those into simple past. When you're changing one sentence into simple past from simple present, only you have to change the verb. Okay. I wake up early every day. Here, wake is the verb. This is in present form. When in a sentence, the verb is in present form, that is one simple present sentence. Okay. So, wake will be changed into woke, past form. Right? I woke up early every day. She cooks dinner for her family. The sentence is in simple present. Change the verb into past. This is the present form, base form of a verb. Change the verb into past. Cooked. Okay. She cooked dinner for her family. Okay. It became simple past. They go to gym on Mondays. Verb is in present form. They go to gym on Mondays. Past form of go, went. They went to gym on Mondays. I do my homework before dinner. Do is the main verb here. Base form of verb. Its past form did. Right? I did my homework before dinner. He meets his friends at the library. Meets. Its past form met. Okay. So the sentence will be he met his friends at the library. He plays football with his friends. Plays. Present form of verb. Change the verb into past. Played. Okay. He played. He played football with his friends. She watches TV after work. Watches. Present form of verb. Its past form watched. Watched. She watched TV after work. We visit our grandparents on weekends. Visit. Present form of verb. Its past form visited. Okay. Visited. That means we visited our grandparents on weekends. When you change one simple present tense into simple past, only we change the main verb. We should change the main verb into past verb. Okay. I hope you understood the concept. If you have doubt anywhere, you can ask question in the comments below. Thank you.